Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into workflow automation, specifically how to connect and manage your Dropbox files automatically. We'll start with a basic connection, then switch to the powerful access token method using a dedicated Dropbox app to ensure robust, long-term security and functionality for your production workflows. Open your Dropbox node, create a new credential, and choose the OAuth 2 method. A window will appear asking you to authorize access to your Dropbox. Click Allow. Once the connection succeeds, your workflow tool now has basic access to your files. Now let's look at a simple scenario: downloading and then deleting a file. First, you need the exact path or name of the file you want to target. I'm copying the name of this PDF file directly from my Dropbox account. Next, set up a new workflow with a Download a File node. Select the download operation and enter the file path, like n8n technicien informatique.pdf. Execute the step. This will retrieve the file's binary data and confirm that the OAuth connection works perfectly. To complete the lifecycle, switch the operation to delete a file using the same file path. Execute the node, and the file will be successfully removed from Dropbox. That's how simple automated file management can be. For production environments, the best practice is to use a dedicated access token from a custom Dropbox app. Go to the Dropbox Developers App console and click Create App. Choose Scoped Access, then Full Dropbox. Give your app a descriptive name. I'm naming mine Swap Service Tech. Agree to the terms and click Create App. Next, open the Permissions tab. Enable the scopes you need: files.content.read, files.content.write, files.metadata.write, sharing.write, profile, OpenID, and email. Scroll down and click Submit to save everything. If you plan to use the app with other users, you'll need to complete the branding section, which requires uploading an icon. For personal workflows, development mode is usually enough. Now, go to the Settings tab, scroll to Generated Access Token, and click Generate. Copy the entire token. In your workflow tool, create a new Dropbox credential, choose Access Token, paste the token, and save it. You should see a success message. Finally, switch your workflow nodes to use this new access token credential. Re-execute the delete step to confirm everything is working. You now have a robust, secure, permission-scoped connection to fully automate your Dropbox file management. That's it for today. If this helped you set up your Dropbox automation, hit that like button and subscribe for more workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching.